Hi boys and girls, I'm Karina Hardin, and once again let me take you around Southeast Asia through the Asean Art Room. So we'll be using art and creativity for us to go around Southeast Asia. So are you excited for the country that we're going to today? Because I am. So let me take you to the country where I was born, the Philippines, by making this collage. So this is our national bird, the Philippine Eagle. So you can only find it in the country and in four major islands, which are Samar, Leyte, Mindanao, and Luzon. So this is also known as the monkey-eating eagle, and they can live up to 60 years, and their eyesight is even clearer than ours. So are you excited to make one? Let's do this.
So all the materials that you'll be needing can be found at home. Okay, let's start by drawing the head of the Philippine Eagle with an inverted letter U. There you have it. Well, if you know your alphabets, you'd be able to do this. Then a letter V on the side, or a triangle, and a letter D. So simple. So now let's make some feathers from the newspapers and magazines that we have at home. Just cut some strips, just like this. And to shape the feather or feathers, because we're gonna make a lot, it's just a letter D. Cut a letter D out of it in different sizes. Yeah, there should be a long one, a medium size, and a short one. And if you want to make like a leaf, just cut both edges, just like a letter D on one side and then a letter D on another side, and that's a leaf. Okay, so we have it in different sizes. So make sure that you will glue it in an outward way, and it will look like that. By the way, start with the newspaper feather strips that we made, and then add in the magazine feathers. Okay, so it will look like that. If you added a darker color, then the next color would be lighter than that. So alternate it. It will look like that. Just put it onto the edges, and you see, like there's the head already, and we'll make the beak and the eye. Okay, and for the eye, I use my thumb. You can use yours as well, just to draw a letter D for the eye. So that's a letter D, or a letter C. Yeah, a sleeping letter C. That would do. And cut it. Okay, you can also adjust it if you think it's big. But when coloring it, start with the lightest color, which is yellow. Next would be blue. And then the last color would be black. So just use black for the details of the eye. Oh, you can use whatever coloring material that you have at home, by the way. Okay, just add a little bit of an eyebrow there. And let's make the beak. So start from drawing from the edges of our white paper. That's a letter V, and another line downwards. Just cut it. Yep. And think it's a little bit big, you can always adjust it. And there's a little bit of a curve cut in there for the beak. And let's put the details. So let's do it by coloring it. So we use gray and a little bit of light blue. Just blended it. Okay, just always follow with the lightest color and then the darkest color. And you'll have to add some details if you want. Like for me, I'm going to do like Van Gogh style. Yep. And there you have it. Our Philippine Eagle.